guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ruthdy Organics. Today I want to people treatment for malaria and typhoid. Yeah, typhoid fever. We all know how difficult it is to treat typhoid fever with drugs. Yeah, you take treatment for typhoid, you treat it within the next 2-3 months, you go back to the hospital, you still have typhoid. So I've decided to teach you people what you do to treat your typhoid once and for all. So I'll be back to tell you how we are going to use our bitter cola, we use our alligator pepper and bitter melon drink to treat ourselves from various illnesses. Thank you. Okay, hello guys, welcome back. Okay, this is what we have. So what we need for the treatment of malaria and typhoid is 3 bitter colas. 1, 2. You take your 3 the big ones here. Don't pick small bitter cola. If you have the small ones like this ones, you can use 4 of our bitter cola. This is it. 3 big bitter colas or 4 small ones. And then you take this alligator pepper. Let me call it the way we call it in Cameroon, alligator pepper. You take it, you peel it, open it like this. You remove 20 seeds because there are so many inside. Look at it, there are so many inside. So what we need is 20. So you use your nails to count 20. 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there we go. So those are 20 seeds of this alligator pepper, 20 seeds of them, and 4 small bitter colas or 3 big bitter cola. So what we are going to do is that you take these things, you put it inside your blender. You put it inside your blender. This bitter cola, you cut into pieces, you cut it small so it will blend very well. You put it inside your blender and you blend. So after blending, you transfer it inside your glass, or for easy blending, so that you not add any water. Anything will not be added into it. You take your bitter melon drink. Take 1 glass because the quantity is 1 glass. You put your 1 glass full of bitter lemon. Or if you are in a Nigerian and you're using the team drink, you use your 1 glass full of team drink. After you pour this mixture in a blender, you use this one now to blend instead of using water, because water is not supposed to be there. So you use now this drink to blend it. You blend everything very well so that it will be smooth. They don't sieve, so blend it to be smooth that you can drink easily. Okay, after blending now, you pour it inside your glass. Your mixing is ready. You pour it inside your glass. Your mixing is ready. You take this thing now. You can keep it. It's a drink, and this in there. You can just leave it like that. You can put it inside a fridge. There is no problem. Anyhow, any way that you choose. So you take 3 tablespoonfuls. The tablespoon is the one that we used to eat. You take 3 tablespoonfuls of it in the morning, 3 tablespoonfuls of it in the evening for 7 days. The treatment is 7 days. So this one, if because maybe it will not last for 7 days. If it doesn't last for 7 days, you prepare another batch. You prepare another one again, because you have to take the mixture for 7 days. Listen again, 3 tablespoonfuls in the morning and 3 tablespoonfuls in the evening, and you drink it for 7 days. I bet you that your malaria, that your typhoid will be gone. For those with chronic typhoid, you can take it for more than 7 days. You can take it for 2 weeks. Those who are suffering from rheumatism, arthritis, waist pains, joint pains, all those things, it treats it very well. And those suffering from vaginal discharges, those are the 4 things that this mixture treats very well. Okay, there are other things that it treats also, but we are not going to use bitter lemon. We are going to use now but milk. a glass cup of milk. You can buy this pig milk, liquid pig milk, that is not sweet, that unsweetened liquid pig milk. You take this same quantity of bitter cola, 3 big bitter colas or 4 small ones, 20 seeds of alagata pepper. You pour now the milk there, and blend it with milk. Put it now inside your glass. You still take the same 3 spoons in the morning and 3 spoons in the evening. That one now is for the cure of infection, STDs, those chronic infections, those who have gonorrhea, staphylococcus, syphilis, all those STDs, they just name them. Even if it's chronic inside your system, just do this mixture as I've told you: bitter cola, alagata pepper, and milk. Combine them together and drink. That way you can drink it for a period of 1 month. You know how infections are very, very resistant. Yeah, so you can take that one continuously, 3 spoons in the morning, 3 spoons in the evening, for 1 month, and you see how your system, it will clear your system. The combination of alagata pepper and bitter cola is not a playful combination. It treats very, very well. It's a natural medicine that people don't know, but it works well. So you can go and try it, so that you tell others, you spread the news, you tell others, tell your neighbors, so they too now will have the knowledge of natural medicine. Yeah, so those are the things that bitter cola and alagata pepper treats: chronic infection with milk, malaria, typhoid, rheumatism, arthritis with bitter melon, bitter lemon drink. With bitter lemon drink. I'm replying answers to any question that you might have, because after this video, some people might have 1 or 2 questions to ask concerning the mixture, concerning the video, or any worries that you might have. The comment section is there for you. So thank you people for subscribing. Thank you people for being there with me all the time. I love you people. Love you all. Thank you. Bye.